Most people think their financial problem is money, not enough of it, not coming in fast enough, not growing the way they expected. But that's not usually the issue, because if more money solved the problem, it would have already been solved. The real issue for most people is not income, it's inconsistency. Starting, stopping, resetting, repeating. Budgeting for a week, then abandoning it. Saving for a month, then spending it. Trying again, then falling back into the same patterns. It's not that you don't know what to do. Most people know, spend less, save more, be intentional. But knowing is not the same as sustaining, and that's where discipline comes in. Discipline is not motivation. It's not how you feel on a good day. It's what you do when nothing feels urgent and no one is watching. That's where most financial systems break. There's a principle that shows up consistently, not just in life, but in scripture, and it's this. Consistency in small things determines what you can handle long term. Not bursts of effort, not temporary focus. Consistency. A lot of people are waiting for a financial breakthrough, but what they actually need is financial stability. And stability doesn't come from big moments. It comes from repeated behavior. If you can't manage small amounts consistently, more money won't fix that. It will just increase the size of the problem, because the pattern doesn't change, only the numbers do. So if you feel like you're always starting over, it's not because you're incapable. It's because your system depends on motivation instead of discipline. And until that shifts, nothing will stick.